morning, everybody. We've got a fan here we use in the laundry room that goes crazy when you turn it on. Check it out. Okay? Kick it on. Doesn't do anything now. Plugged in. Okay, here we go. It wouldn't turn on because of this. If you hold this in, watch, it starts making racket. I think I see what's wrong with it. You can see inside the side. See that little thing in there spinning around. I think what's happened is this thing is I think it's spun the fan guard off. Who's getting ready to throw this thing away? It looks like I can maybe get a screwdriver like this, and I'm gonna try prying these apart here. See if I can get under here, get this off, like so. I'm gonna take this fan guard off here. Should just pop off nice and easy. Nice and easy. Keep my thumb in here. Work your way around. Oh well, there you go. Now, I don't think I need to take the blade. I think what it is this thing here is like a big thread. Here, turn it this way now. You can kind of see. Oh, that's kind of dirty. This, right here. See that right there thing? That, I think, has come unthreaded, maybe? And that holds that back part on. I'm going to see if I can spin it back together. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, because it says tighten. We're in the kitchen so I can see better. It's the best light I got. Okay. Oh, damn it. I thought I had that here. Here, there. Is that going to do anything? I can't see what holds this blade in here. It's pinned. That says tighten also. Here, I can just do this and take the blade off. Look at this. Okay, pop that out of the way then. Here, look at that. Now what the hell holds you? Okay, it's keyed, sort of. It looks like that. Something here is supposed to catch in here. Yeah. There we go. Right? I'd say that's got her pretty good. Okay. I'm going to wash this blade up and wash these up a little bit. We'll put it back together. I think I got it. It says tighten, and I tightened. So I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I got it clean. We're going to put our propeller back on. Hope. In the middle. Hole in the middle, BLG. There we go. I don't think I have it lined up on there. That's going to sit like that. Then we tighten this up. Tighten. Clash of the Titans. Tighten this way. Okay. Reverse tighten. Lefty tighty. That's me, lefty. Yeah, and your fan starts freaking out on you guys. Don't freak out. Take a second look at it. that should do her. This, I guess, you just kind of line back up with its things. Make sure the words are right side up. Clip our back together. All right. Well, let's have us a very windy look at what happened. I got it all, I think, back together pretty well. Turn it on. I got it on oscillate. Turn it up on high. Speed 3. Well, there she goes. Just a little growly, but not coming apart growly. That's the motor inside, the oscillator motor, I think. Let's make it stop oscillating. Yeah, and it's just going to sit there and do its thing. There you go. The little thingy right there, there's a weird nut came loose, and the whole cage was rattling around and falling against the blade and freaking out. There we go. It's a new Fat Man fan. Well, it's an old fan, but it's a new one again. Rededicated to the laundry room. Fixed. Like I said, we was going to throw it away. I thought, wait a minute, I want another whack at this. And that's all it was. Yep. Plastic nut came loose on the fan motor that holds the cage on. Okay, well, there you go. Till next time, folks, you know what to do. Peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from